everybody, Cindy Martin here, also known as Teacher's Brain. I wanted to share with you the sight word puzzles that are digital, and they are so fun, the students won't even know they're learning sight words. So basically, there are two different kinds of puzzles for each puzzle. And what I mean is, there is 11 puzzles in total. 10 of them have duplicates, and this one, for example, is 3 by 3, meaning 3 rows of puzzle pieces. These are the easier ones. There is a visual cue in the back to help kids be able to solve these puzzles a little bit easier. And basically, they're just going to drag these around until they can make the puzzle. And like I said, this one, 3 by 3, is going to be a little bit easier. And then once they get their puzzle pieces together, they will quickly be able to see the sight words. So each slide has 6 sight words on it. Once they put the puzzle together, they come over here and click, and they can write the word like, and do that for each one of those. The next puzzle, which is exactly the same except for this one has 5 rows of 5 pieces. So these are smaller pieces, so they're a little more difficult for students to solve. These are for kids that need a little more of a challenge, so you can differentiate these puzzles. Same premise, put the puzzle together, find the words, and put them in. So there are 10 different puzzles. I'll show you some. These are kindergarten, and they are great review for first grade sight words. And then this last one is if you decide to, say for example, you want your students to only use the easier puzzles, the 3 by 3, then you would delete all the other ones that you don't want to push out to your students. You could put a little text box on the side and tell students you want them to finish puzzles 1 through 5, or whatever directions you want to put in there to make it more personable for your students. And then once they finish, you can give them the bonus challenge, which has 12 sight words on it, and it's a 5 by 5, so it's a little more of a challenge for students to solve. Delete anything that you don't want. There are directions to help you and suggestions, and it tells you the sight words that were used to make this resource. There you go. I hope you all are having a great day.